Welcome back to Learning with Little School. Yesterday, my family had a special celebration and a lot of people came home to dinner. We hired a personal chef to prepare lots of delicious dishes. What do you think he cooked? Do you want to see the incredible dishes we made? Yes, follow me. First, he made a soup. So we helped him and we chopped vegetables, onions, tomatoes, and carrots. That's fast. Did you cry when you chopped onions? A little bit. But we needed them for the soup, so we boiled water, then we added all the ingredients. I love soup. What else did you make? We also fried fish and potatoes for fish and chips. He also made a special bread, but he burned the first loaf. Did he make desserts too? Oh, of course. Yesterday we whisked eggs and sugar and made pancakes. Whoa! Did you flip the pancake in the air? Yes, but one pancake fell on the floor. Oops! Ha ha ha! What else? He also melted chocolate and poured it over strawberries. That looks so good! And he froze fruit juice to make ice pops. That's perfect for a hot day. That sounds amazing. And yesterday, did you make pasta too? Of course! He also boiled spaghetti and mixed it with a special sauce. We grated some cheese on top. He also prepared the best pizza ever. And yesterday you cooked so many things. Yes, cooking is fun. Let's remember what we did. We chopped, mixed, baked, fried, boiled, grated, spread, sprinkled, melted, poured, whisked, froze, burned. We cooked a lot. Keep cooking and having fun. See you next time. Learning with Little School.